Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking down fundamentals, timing, silhouette, and reference. Start blocking major poses immediately so you can evaluate flow without polish. Once done, scrub through keyframes to confirm readable shapes and weight. This prevents costly redraws later. Make sure to pick a consistent frame rate and reference footage to match cadence. You'll refine arcs and easing after the block, but getting these essentials right first saves hours and keeps your animation grounded and expressive. Now you move into refining motion. Smooth the arcs and fix tangents so movement reads naturally. Add secondary motion, hair, cloth, or limb follow-through to sell mass and momentum. Subtle delays make a big difference. Then rework timing. Shorten or extend intervals, apply ease-ins and ease-outs, and introduce anticipation where actions start. Because physics underpins believability, tweak spacing for weight and moments of suspension. As you iterate, play at real speed and in context to ensure choices reinforce emotion and clarity. Finish by cleaning up and consolidating, tighten lines, finalize colors, and ensure consistent rendering across frames. Export short test renders at normal and half speed to catch timing issues and continuity problems. If things go wrong, debug methodically, identify flicker, sliding feet, or stiffness. Isolate offending keys and adjust tangents or spacing rather than repainting everything. Once fixed, re-export, compare against reference, and lock the shot. This final pass guarantees polish and prevents regressions when you compile the sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.